Today, I am buying $100 worth of the XRP token. Smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, because in this video, we're going to be dollar cost averaging into our public portfolio $100 into these altcoins, and this is where you can track these with us. So if you're interested in this, keep coming back to these videos and this playlist, but please understand that I'm not a financial advisor, and full disclosure, I do hold the coins that I will be speaking about in today's video. Now, let's add our transaction. Let's take a look at our portfolio. It is deep in the red, not been doing very good. 37%, 38%, 27%, 26%, absolutely bidding, not very fun in the last few weeks. And this has to do with a lot of the news and updates, but we are going to stick to the plan and we are going to be here in the long run. These are long-term holds. It's not quick in and out trading, because if we were to take trading right now, we would be down significantly. So let's talk about, though, why I am buying XRP today. Well, according to the price right now, one XRP token is sitting at 50 cents. And if you stay with me all the way to the end of the video, I will be sharing with you my price prediction for XRP. Before we get there as well, make sure you're following me over on Instagram. My reels are doing fantastic thanks to you. So thank you for all of your support. Look at how many views we're getting. This has definitely been, welcomed, as the views have been very, very difficult to get here on YouTube because the market manipulation, as well as the market going down in general. Make sure to follow over on TikTok as well. We have over 1 million followers there. And I want to share with you right now the updates with XRP and why I think that this could potentially be a cryptocurrency coin that a lot of people still are not looking at as potentially an outlier, a sleeper, an undervalued coin. And while it's actually showing a lot of strength to me personally, while the rest of the market is going down, XRP has kind of held steady, and this is why I want to share this with you. Now, Cameron Foos has said liftoff, 3-2 XRP, pumping ahead of the Hinman release, which was yesterday, but still don't bomb everything else, because this can go up and down. So please understand that it's looking good from a chart perspective right now. You can see that he says, let's see if something good happens with the case, and it's pumping hard. But again, this is very risky. So you have to understand, with all these altcoins and in cryptocurrency in general, it's all very risky. So that's why you should never risk more than you can afford to lose. And it's a fun little game to play. And you should also have a much larger time frame. The biggest mistakes I see people making in crypto is that they don't do those things. They don't practice this at all. And they don't practice a lot of these other things because they're new to this. So if you want to learn even more about this, I'll share with you how in just a second. Now, XRP, Ripple.com, one of the biggest cryptocurrency, Twitter accounts is at Ripple. And if you go to their website, it'll teach you all about what XRP is. I think a lot of people have no idea what this is all about. And basically, you're trying to transform banking and make banking so much easier for everyone. And I think that that's a very noble thing that they're trying to do. The execution, however, as well as the SEC lawsuit, has definitely put them behind the 8 ball. And that's why we've seen such price suppression. So if you go back and you look at the chart of XRP, you can see right now that, yes, it went absolutely parabolic to approximately $3.40 is all-time high. And since then, it hasn't been able to break through a couple of dollars since the last bull run. So it didn't even return back to all-time high. So this, to me, could be concerning for those reasons. And the fully diluted market cap's already $50 billion. That's a lot right now, as the market cap's only $26 billion. But still, there's a lot of unknown here with this crypto, and there would need to be a lot of money to go into it in order to move this like crazy. However, I do think for the XRP army out there, there are some things that are making me feel, and also making me, I guess, understand that there could be some price volatility towards the upside here very soon. The reason why is because the XRP cryptocurrency has been moving and has jumped as investors hope the Ripple will win the legal battle against the SEC. It moved up 11% on Wednesday. And this is volatile. Like, you're seeing a multi-billion-dollar market cap crypto moving 10, 15, 20%. And some are anticipating that this is going to end very soon, and that it could be happening very soon. And that's why there's a lot of speculation around this, as we've talked about many, many times. Now, I also want to share with you, though, before we end today's video, a price prediction and analysis. So according to price analysis right now, XRP has been relatively, an outperformer in the last few days, as the bulls have managed to sustain the price above the moving averages. So you can see here, it is sitting right now at 51 cents, 50 cents approximately, above the moving averages. That is bullish. Okay, so that's bullish right now. The buyers have to overcome the obstacle at 56 cents, which we did just get rejected from. The next leg up, though, if we do get above 56 cents, could go all the way to 65 cents. Now, again, this is more short-term trading, but I also want to share with you what could happen in the long term. However, it's not going to be easy, okay? So the player sums back down below its 50-day SMA, then 47 cents is an important level to keep an eye on. So right here, 47 cents, right where these two lines are crossing, you can see this wick down here shows me that there was a lot of buy and demand in this area, and that's why I think the upside is the more likely play for XRP. Now, how high can we go? Well, I want to share with you what happened in the last run. We went all the way as high as $4. I believe XRP could reach $5, if not more, under these certain circumstances. Number one, they have an outright win against the SEC. I don't think that that's the likeliest situation, but if it does happen, this coin's going to go crazy. Number two, they get relisted on some of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the US for US users. If this happens, tons of money is just going to flood into this, and I think that could send the price skyrocketing 5 to 10x within a matter of a week or two. I know that sounds crazy, and I know that it's not necessarily a guarantee, right? I'm not guaranteeing this for you. I'm just saying, based upon statistics and data here, you can see XRP went from literally 20 cents to over $3. That's more than a 10x in a very short period of time. And this is what it's looking like to me here. If we're consolidating here before we absolutely rock it, I believe a $5 XRP could happen. And this happened, if we zoom in on the chart here, literally within a matter of a week or two, within even a month of price absolutely going crazy. So could we see something like this happen in the short term with XRP? Absolutely. In the long run, I believe in this project as well, but it all depends upon what the SEC does. It all depends upon what's going to happen next with the listings of the XRP token. Again, if you want to learn more about what I'm buying and selling and trading, click the links down below. Join my online class today. The reason why is because it's on a massive discount, and I'm sharing what I'm buying even more in the online class. If you like these videos, you like this, it's all timestamped. And if you look at my portfolios that I have created, my HODL portfolio that I created in the beginning of the year is up still, massive profits. And this is where I'm up literally over $4,000 in profits right now on this portfolio. You can see all, and this is where you'll see my massive profits in this portfolio. So this is a brand new portfolio that we started with Altcoins just here as a public portfolio. And yes, sometimes it's a little bit slow going to the beginning. However, between that portfolio as well as my 50, 25, 25 portfolio, that portfolio is up a lot. All-time profit, you can see here, is up literally over $4,000 since the beginning of 2023 on a $10,000 portfolio. That means I'm up 42% on this portfolio. And that, to me, is absolutely essential to your success here with crypto. I've been in this game for over 6 years. So if you want to know what's in this portfolio and you want to know what's in my other portfolios, click the links down below. Join my online class. We can't wait to see you in the next videos, so stay tuned.